Hey y'all, I just got the perfect cleaning tool to start my move out cleaning. Today's video is in collaboration with a company by the name of Candy. Candy is a global leader in the smart home appliance industry. Candy creates accessible, easy to use technologies for a variety of home appliance product categories, including major appliances and small appliances. Today I'll be showcasing their 3-in-1 corded stick vacuum cleaner. This stick vacuum cleaner features a versatile 3-in-1 design, easily adapting to various cleaning scenarios, including hard floors, staircases, and so much more, meeting your cleaning needs. So here I'm just sharing on the screen how the vacuum cleaner looks. It has a beautiful modular design and it's so simple, so lightweight. It also comes with an extra filter. You're also able to remove the stick and still vacuum with the attached crevice tool, and that's one thing I really love about this vacuum cleaner. It doesn't come with way too many pieces, but it is so simple and easy to use. It has a 15,000 PA hurricane suction, so with that strong suction power, cleaning becomes simple and efficient, effortlessly picking up dirt and dust to ensure your home stays fresh and clean. And this space is located behind my sofa where it used to be, and as you can see, it was so dusty and the vacuum cleaner took great care of the floor, no problem, and it sucked every single piece of that dust up with no problem. Weighing in less than 3.7 pounds, this lightweight stick vacuum cleaner is easy to move and operate, perfect for extended use without causing fatigue. I'm able to go up and down the steps without pulling and dragging and lifting a heavy vacuum cleaner. It just makes cleaning days so easy. Being that this vacuum cleaner is great for whole house cleaning, I did go ahead and vacuum the carpets upstairs, and let me tell you guys, the suction is just impressive. The amount of dust and dirt that came from my carpets is insane, y'all. So keep watching to see how much I empty out at the end. And the crevice tool is perfect for getting those spaces that you just can't seem to get with the vacuum cleaner. The crevice tool can also be used inside of your drawers, also inside of your couch and other hard to reach places. Now I am putting this vacuum cleaner to the test today, okay? I had some shredded paper all over the floors and I was wondering, I'm like, I wonder can that vacuum cleaner clean it up? And what? Amazing. Amazing. Do not underestimate this vacuum cleaner. She is small, but yet she is powerful. And being that she is corded, I was like a little bit on the fence about it. But girl, she is amazing. The cord is extra long, so you really don't have to worry about the cord not being long enough to reach those places. But I absolutely love this vacuum cleaner, y'all. Look at how well it picked up that shredded paper. And with a dust cup capacity of 0.8 liters, you can reduce the frequency of emptying dust, improving cleaning efficiency. It also comes with an extra HEPA filter. Another thing that I absolutely love about this vacuum cleaner, once I stopped cleaning the floors, I didn't have to worry about changing around too many pieces to find this tool, find that tool. Everything is already attached to the vacuum cleaner, y'all. So I don't really have to change around too many things. And I was able to switch from cleaning the carpets to cleaning the windowsills with a matter of 3 to 5 seconds. Do not underestimate this vacuum cleaner. Look at the vacuum lines. She is still able to give you those exquisite vacuum lines, and you are still able to maneuver to your steps and vacuum your steps. I'm highly impressed with this vacuum cleaner, and if you are interested in purchasing this vacuum cleaner today, all of the information will be down below. The dustpan was so easy to use. It has a one-click design. It was a bit maxed out, y'all, so I'm sure it would have been easier to empty, but it picked up so much stuff from the carpet. And if you're interested in buying this vacuum today, I'll have all of the details down below. You don't want to miss out, y'all. This is an amazing vacuum cleaner, and I enjoyed cleaning with it today. It just pretty much kick-started my move out cleaning, and it got so much clean.